We'll guide you through how to make text 3D in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, access the Photopea website in Google Chrome. Before beginning, make sure your device is connected to the internet so the website can load properly. Double-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop and wait for the browser to fully open. Once Chrome is ready, hover your cursor over the search bar, click it, and type Photopea. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to start the search. After the search results appear, select the top option, 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗏. You will then be redirected to the Photopea homepage. Before starting the editing process, remember that this effect can be applied to photos or backgrounds. Next, click the New Project option. Select any available template that suits your needs. You can also adjust the canvas size according to your preference. Set the background color to white to make the 3D effect more visible. After that, click the Create button to start editing. Press Ctrl+0 to fit and highlight the canvas on your screen. Look at the toolbar on the left side of the workspace and find the Text tool in the toolbar menu. Before typing, set the font, size, and color you want to use. Then type the text that you want to turn into 3D text. Resize and reposition the text so it fits nicely on the canvas. Next, go to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Right-click the text layer and select Blending Options. Move the Blending Options panel if it covers the text preview area. Activate the 3D feature located at the bottom of the panel. Change the color of the 3D section so it matches your text color. Increase the distance value to make the 3D effect wider or thicker. Use the shrink value to make the 3D text lean in a specific direction. If desired, use the dark value to add a shadow effect to the 3D section. Adjust the angle and light settings to match the direction of the shadows and highlights. Finally, click OK to save all changes. You have now learned how to make 3D text in Photopea successfully today.